Hot.
It's gonna be a really hot potato. You're gonna move so I can throw it at you.
Oh,
ready?
damn.
Did I hit you in the face?
Where did it go?
There's like half a potato.
I just stepped in half potato.
Mom's gonna wait.
There's the half of the potato.
Ow. Oh, I stepped in it.
Okay.
Did you guys accomplish what you wanted to?
No, we need a potato that won't break.
Well, hot potatoes tend to break.
Oh, damn, it's hot.
I know.
Then I have to take a bite out of it.
It was just all over the floor. It's steaming. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. It's really hot.
You were like, I have balls, and for like 4 seconds, and you're like, I can't take it anymore.
I tried.
Scooters.
Okay.
The potato in question.
It hurt. It hurt. Where the potato? You threw it over there. Bring the legs up on that.
Okay.
You just spit all over my leg.
Ow. Ah.
There's so much potato.
Oh my, dude, I've got like burns on my hands. Do I have like burns on my hands? Oh. Oh no. Oh. This is probably so smart idea.